Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about revision for quarterly examination. That is 12th Commerce, chapter number 1. The topic is Principles of Management. We already discussed about chapter 1. So this is for revision, revise all the concept. Okay. So first, what do you mean by management? Management is part and partial of our day-to-day life. Part and partial of our day-to-day life. Okay. So it's one of the part and partial of our day-to-day life, and it also helps to achieve the organizational goal. How to manage the people, how to manage the business, how to manage the employees. Okay. So and it also in the that is the individual goal that converted into organizational objectives. Okay, in the practice of management and determine the future of the business enterprises, it one of the way of success or otherwise of an organization. Individual is more decided by the way manage their functions and duties and responsibilities. Every manager, every persons want to achieve want to manage his duties and responsibilities. That is very important thing. Okay, in the principles of management. Okay, every organization utilize a human resource. Okay, and they appoint one person that is called manager. He is only delegate authorities and delegate his duties. Okay, so that is called principles of management. Okay, so next one. What are the concept of management? So the concept of management, that is have divided into 4, that is code of body of knowledge. Okay, the first one, body of knowledge. Concept of management. The concept of management. The concept of management. What is the concept of management? It has divided some 4 or 5 concepts. Okay, that body of knowledge, management tools. First one, body of knowledge. First one, body of knowledge. First one, body of knowledge, management tools. Okay, management tools. First one, body of knowledge. What do you mean body of knowledge? The management is that is now developed into that is specialized field. Okay, so ஒரு specialized field இருக்கு. Okay, management na ஒரு specialized field இருக்கு. என்ன specialized field na every manager have some lot of capabilities. Okay, so he intention to do the work and also complete his duties and responsibilities. Okay, and one management is one of the best passport to enter the world that is employment grasping the all opportunities. Okay, that is called body of knowledge. So now the way of enter into other world employment. Okay, so that is the body of knowledge. Management tools. The management tools in the sense of the management tools divided into several categories. One is business laws, then psychology, then econometrics. Econometrics related to economical. That is what a lot of that is statistical method involved in the economic. Okay, for example, mean, median, mode. Okay, correlation, regression. Okay, these are the statistical tools applied in the Indian economics. Okay, so and data processing. Okay, all the data stored, all the companies stored all the data in separate field. Okay, that is all data processing. Then these are the tools of management, concept of management. Okay, next one, separate discipline. Next one, separate discipline. Separate discipline. Okay, so in the separate discipline in the sense of okay, so its categories are in separate discipline in the sense of its categories every department have separate managers. Okay, every department separate manager. Every manager have separate discipline, separate expert knowledge in the field. Okay, how to export our business, and how to manage the personnel, and how to manage the protection management, how to manage the financial management. Okay, but in the protection management is, for example, every protection manager wants to reduce our defect in that is all the product. Okay, he produced one product, so he want to reduce defects, zero defect. You want to maintain zero defect. That is called as separate discipline. That is called as separate discipline. Okay. Fourth one, then specialization. Okay. Fourth one, specialization. Okay. So the specialization in the sense of the specialization, there is a growing tendency to select and appoint one highly qualified person and trained person, well experienced knowledge in particular field. Okay, that is called specialization. That is called highly qualified and highly specialized knowledge in the particular field. Okay, expert knowledge. Okay, the next one, code of conduct. The code of conduct in the sense of the company wants to maintain social responsibilities and to fulfill the towards the customer satisfaction, and attain the customer satisfaction and satisfy the customer needs and wants. Okay, that is the code of conduct. Every successful businessman have recognized the business management social institution, and it has a social responsibilities to be fulfilled towards the customer. The customer is very important. So, for example, buyer beware. Some companies are focused on only customers. Some companies focus only profit oriented. Okay, so when the company focus customer oriented, the particular company only will attain the goal. Okay, will attain the customer needs and wants. Okay, that is called code of conduct. Okay, next one, professional association. In the professional association, it means it promote the spirit of knowledge, all the management areas in the sense of production management, finance management, personal management, operation management. Okay, so these are the areas. These are the areas have some separate expert knowledge. Okay, so it means every manager have expert knowledge in particular field, professional knowledge. Okay, that is called professional association. Okay, professional association. Okay, so these are the concept of management. Body of knowledge, then management tools, separate discipline, specialization, code of conduct, then professional association. Okay, professional association. Okay, so next one, definitions of management. The definitions of management, it means enna appadina, it has divided into two. Nam board of enna paathom, idella paathom, body of knowledge, then management tools, separate discipline, specialization, code of conduct, professional association. Okay, onadhukku or meaning irukku. That is that is the one best way to end. Okay, in the global employment opportunities. Management tools, it means that is economic, business law, psychological. Okay, these are the management tools. Separate discipline in the sense of have separate knowledge in particular field. How to export management, how to enter and how to control the personnel. Okay, so these are separate disciplines. Specialization, expert knowledge in the particular field. Code of conduct, maintain the social responsibility between the customers. Okay, then buyer beware. That is only customer oriented, not profit oriented. Professional association in the sense of every manager have some professional knowledge in the particular field. That is, these are the concept of management. Next one, definition. It had divided two. One is Henry Foyle. Definitions of management, Henry Foyle and Peter of Drucker and Henry Foyle. Okay, so definitions of management. Definitions of management. it divided into two. One is Henry File and Peter F. Drucker. Okay, this Peter F. Drucker, Peter F. defines some important definition. The management is a multi-purpose organization. They have a lot of, that is a multi-purpose. Not only have a separate purpose or a single purpose. Okay, is having every business organization having, every management is having multi-purpose organization. Okay, that manages a business, that manages very important thing, that manages. Okay, that manages a business and manages a manager and manages a worker. Okay, so every organization have multi-purpose functions. Okay, so that manages a business management, no, that manage a business, manage a business, that manage a manager, then manage a workers. Okay, so this is called definition of Peter F. Drucker. Okay, so next Henry File. Okay, this is the first one, this is one of the definition. Next Henry File, அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு மேனேஜரை, ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் மேனேஜ் பண்ணும், ஒரு ஒர்க்கரை மேனேஜ் பண்ணும், ஒரு மேனேஜரை மேனேஜ் பண்ணும். Okay, how to manage a worker, how to manage a manager, how to manage a business, that is called Peter F. Drucker man. Okay, next Henry File. So Henry File, it defines to manage is to forecast, it is a future plan. Okay, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, to control, these are functions of management. Okay, so to forecast, to manages is to forecast, to plan. Okay, to plan, to organize. First you have to set the plan, then you have to organize that particular plan. Okay, so for example, the company wants to establish the company, the building. Okay, because of the company want to fix any installment of the new machines into the business. Okay, so that is a commands business with the stock. Okay, commands in a business with the that is other machineries. Okay, so that is the wants to fix the machines. Okay, that is a plan. Then how to organize. Okay, how to organize in this job, then appoint one managers, appoint one that is production managers. Okay, so and appoint one labors. Okay, these are the organize. Okay, so and to organize and to command, to coordinate the work and to control the work, to coordinate the work, to control the work. Okay, control all the works. Control is very important in the management principles. Okay, so first to plan, first you have to set the plan, and the set the plan in the sense of the company administration only set the plans. Okay, manager only execute the plan. Okay, next to organize the plan and to command, that is command. The command means some of the information from the administration, the manager only followed, execute that plan. Okay, to coordinate, manager only coordinate all the subordinates, and to control also one of the important functions of management. Okay, so this is the definitions of management. Next, the management have three levels. One is, these are the levels of management. Okay, levels of management. Okay, so top level, this is top level, middle level, lower level. Okay, so top level in the sense of all the CEOs assign his duties, all the CEOs involved in this level. Okay, middle level in the sense of all the department managers. Okay, department manager, lower level, all the subordinates involved in these levels. Okay, so these are the three important levels. So some of the godly relationship between lower and top level, then only the organization will go into success. Okay, so the organization will attain the objectives. Okay, so this is very important thing. Okay, it's very important thing, the levels of management. Next one, management process, very important, management process. Okay, management process. These are the input, then some output, okay. So then organizational achieve the goal, organizational achieve the goal. Okay, so these are the input in the sense of then man, machine, material, man, machine, material, then money. Okay, money. These are the input. Okay, these are the input, man, machine, material. These are the input. Then these are the input. Okay, so the inputs are converted into output. Okay, man, machine, material involved in this input level. Then these are the inputs are converted into output level. So output means goal. Okay, output means goal, end result, that is end product, end result or end product, end result or human is very important. Man and woman is very important in this execution level. He only involved in the production, and machine is very important. Without machine he can't able to produce anything. Okay, so material also you can't purchase material from other sides. Okay, so for maintaining our productions. Okay, then money, without money also, money is one of the assets. Okay, that is the current assets. So this current asset is very important in input level. Okay, so these inputs are converted into output. இதில் என்ன அப்படின்னா இன்புட். ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் முக்கியம். இதெல்லாம் எதில் இல்லை அப்படின்னா நம்ம எண்ட் ரிசல்ட்ஸ் அடைய முடியாது, கோல்ஸ் அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியாது. புரியுதா? ஸோ இதில் என்ன அப்படின்னா என்னெல்லாம் வாட் ஆர் த இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கிரைட்டீரியாஸ்? பிளானிங் is very important. First planning. Okay, first planning that is a goal. Okay, so to set the goal. Then directing all the directing. Okay, directing all the categories. Okay, next organizing, controlling, organizing then controlling. Okay, organizing then controlling. Okay, organizing, controlling. Okay, so control all the activities and organize all the activities. Planning, first set the plan, directing all the subordinates and organizing all the goals, all the department activities and controlling all the subordinates. Okay, so these are the management process. Okay, these are the management process. Very important thing. Okay, first input all the that is the 3, that is 4M. Okay, 4M. Then these are the 4M converted into end result, that is achieve the objectives. Okay, so these are the important functions of management. Okay, planning your objectives, then directing your goal, directing all the subordinates and organizing all your department activities, then controlling your subordinates. Okay, so manager only control or the manager only maintain all the activities. Okay, production manager, for example, production manager, then finance manager, HR manager, that is human resource manager. So these are the manager involved in this category. Okay, இவங்கள என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா மெஷின்ஸ் வந்து இன்வால்வ் பண்றாங்க, மெஷின் இன்வால்வ் பண்றாங்க. So இந்த 4M என்னது எப்படி கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுதுன்னா அவுட்புட்டா கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது. Okay, so convert into output. Okay, so this is called management process. Management process. Okay. So next one, two important management. Okay. Okay. So this is divided into two. One is scientific management. One is scientific management. Another one is modern management. Scientific management, modern management. Scientific management, modern management. Okay. Okay, scientific management. This scientific management is derived, is defined, that is, who is the author for scientific management? That is Frederick Winslow Taylor. Mr. Frederick Winslow Taylor is the author of scientific management. Okay, he is the author of scientific management. Okay, so according to this that is Frederick Winslow Taylor. According to Frederick Winslow Taylor, brought about scientific approach managing the workforce. What do you mean workforce? Human workforce, man workforce. Utilize the human workforce, and he experiments, that is he came to absolute the harmony in workplace. Okay, and he attained the objectives in the workplace, and also overall the productivity of the organization. Okay, attain and achieve the overall productivity of the organization. Overall productivity in the sense of, I already told, man, machine, material is input. These are the inputs are converted into output. That is called management. That is called management process. Okay, here the principles of scientific management is proposed by Taylor. Okay, so first one is science, not rule of thumb. 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 Second one. First one, science, not rule of thumb. It means it is called as hit and trial method. It is called as hit and trial method. Hit and trial method means applied. So the manager want to recruit one person, and the person is appointed. So he involved in this that is a production activity, but he can't be able to attain the objectives. He can't be able to attain that is a work. He complete the work. So this is called hit and trial method. Whether the management is appointed the persons, okay, is okay, he fine, he is suitable for particular job, okay, but is not continuing his work perfect manner, okay, effective manner. What do you mean effective? He attain the goal. He is capable in complete the work, and with single resource, significant, that is a stipulated period, stipulated time, efficient, effectively. Okay, he is not complete the work efficiently, effectively. So this is called hit and trial method. So the work assigned to any employee should be observed and analyzed. That is called science, not rule of thumb. Okay, should be observed and analyzed. Very important thing. Okay, so observing and analyze his work. Okay, so with respect to element, a pattern thereof, and the time involved therein. Stipulated time, he is completing the work within the stipulated time. Whether he is completing one stipulated time is not. Okay, so this is called as hit and trial method. This is called as hit and trial method. Observed and analyzed technique involved. Okay, observed and analyzed technique involved. Second one, harmony not discard. Harmony not discard. Okay, harmony not discard. Harmony, scientific management, modern management. Okay, it's divided scientific management. First one is science not rule of thumb. Second one is harmony not discard. The harmony not discard. This means division of work. Divide the work. Okay, division of work. That divide the work to the all the category, all the employment level, and also team spirit. Okay, maintain a team spirit. I am training of employees. Then sharing a part of, that is sharing a part of surplus with workers, sharing a part. Okay, they give the assignment, assign to the work and division of work, sense of discipline, sincerity, commitment, obey the orders. Okay, this is called as harmony not discard. Okay, so the management and administration is very, very important. Both the management and workers should realize the importance of each other. Importance. First, every manager, every workers realize his work, his responsibilities, his duties and responsibilities. Okay, that, and in order to achieve the state, the Taylor suggests complete mental evaluation. Okay, that is his duties and responsibilities, the successful manner is going to successful manner. That is called as harmony not discard. Okay, harmony not discard. Next one, mental evaluation. Mental revaluation. Mental revaluation, it means attitude of work, attitude of employees work. Okay, so the technique of mental revaluation involves a change in the attitude of workers and management towards each other, the attitude of work. Okay, improve the work, realize his importance of his work, that is very important. Realize the importance of his work. What is the duties? On the duties enna? First, every manager, every workers, every subordinates realize his work, realize his responsibilities and duties. Okay, that is called as mental evaluation. Okay, next one, cooperation not individual. Okay, the cooperation. Okay, the cooperation, it means he want to cooperate with all the subordinates, not individual category, individual level. Okay, so cooperation not individual, cooperation not individual. Cooperation. Okay, so this principle, extension of principle, the harmony. One of the extension. What is harmony? The harmony is a division of work, team spirit. Okay, work with each, that is work with the other subordinates, work with the other managers, work with the other category level. Okay, other lower level. Okay, so that is a maintain a team spirit and division of work, and these workers should be considered the part of management and should be allowed to take part of decision making. So one of the take part of decision making. Okay, one of the part of decision making. This is called individual. Last one, development. The development in the sense of the efficiency of organization also one of the depends on the skills and capabilities. Okay, efficiency of organization. What do you mean efficiency? Efficiency of effectiveness is completing the work this specified time. Is completing work within single resource. That is efficiency of effectiveness. Okay, so efficiency of organization also depends on the skills and duties and responsibilities, skills and capabilities, that is called development. Okay, next one, principles of, that is a modern management. Okay, that is called modern management. The modern management, this is a modern management. Okay, so the modern management, the father of modern management is Henry Fayol. Okay, is Mr. Henry Fayol. Mr. Henry Fayol. Mr. Henry Fayol is the father of modern management. Okay, so here Mr. Frederick Winslow Taylor. Okay, so he is the father of that is scientific management. Okay, so here 14 principles in modern management. First one, division of work. First one, division of work. First one is division of work. For division of work, what do you mean division of? Divide the work. Okay, according to this principle, the whole work is divided into all the small tasks, all the levels. The specialization of the workforce according to the skills and capabilities, skills of a person, an efficient person, a personal skills and professional skills and professional development. Okay, the professional development, professional skills according to his professional skill, then capabilities. So the company wants to divide the work. Okay, for example, the company wants to produce one automobile product. Okay, so the production manager wants to divide the work into all the workers and also recruit automobile engineer from the various institutions. Okay, so that is he is having theoretical knowledge. Okay, he is having some technical knowledge in this field. Okay, that is called division of work. Next one, authority and responsibility. Authority and responsibility. Authority and responsibility. What do you mean authority and responsibility? Authority. Okay, so this is the one of the issue of commands, followed by the responsibility for their consequences. Authority means right of a superior to give the order, assign the work, give the order to his subordinates. Give the order. Okay, give the order to his subordinates. Give the order to his subordinates. That is called authority. Give the order to his subordinates. That is called authority. Responsibility means every person comes responsibilities. In organization, every organization having lot of responsibilities. You appointed one companies. The company gives some job description to you. Okay, so you have to achieve the organizational objectives. Having lot of capabilities, lot of responsibilities. Okay, every person is having lot of responsibilities. ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் responsibility இருக்கும். ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் authority and superior to give the order to the subordinates. Superior manager to give the order to the subordinates. Okay, that is called authority. Next, third one, the discipline. Third one, discipline. The discipline in the sense of there is a proper code of relations with other persons. Okay, proper code of conduct with other persons, and also maintain the social responsibility, maintain a discipline, maintain some mutual understanding between the workers. That is called discipline. Okay, is unity of command. The unity of command means this principle states, and each subordinate should then receive orders from the higher level. Okay, receive order from the higher level. That is called unity of command. Okay, so a manager gives some order to the subordinates. This is called unity of command. and COs some give order to the management, that is a middle level. Okay, so that is called unity of command. Okay, unity of direction, unity of direction. The unity of direction means all related activities should be put under the one group. Okay, so superior and manager have less number of subordinates, so the manager want to implement the order that very easily. Okay, that is all related activities should be under that we should put under one group. Okay, that is called unity of direction. Next, subordination of individual interest to mutual interest. Okay, subordinate individual interest to mutual interest. Okay, every person wants to attain the goal, every person want to work sincere manner in the organization. Okay, so this sincerity the converted this later to mutual, that is organization whole interest. Okay, that is called unity of, that is a subordination of individual interest to organization. Subordinates of individual interest to organizational objectives. Okay, organizational objectives. Okay, so next one, remuneration. The remuneration in the sense of, okay, remuneration. The remuneration means, next one, remuneration. The remuneration means the workers must be paid sufficiently, as this that is one of the chief motivation employees, and thereby greatly influence the productivity. Okay, so one employee is working in the organization, that management will also give some salary or wages providing to that laborers or the employees. Okay, workers or employees, that is called remuneration. The form of, that is a amount. Okay, so that is called remuneration. Okay, so the remuneration means that is related to monetary transaction, monetary award, one of the monetary salary. Okay, then bonus. Okay, so he is completing the work with a stipulated time, the stipulated period. So the management wants to give some bonus to providing some bonus to the workers or employees. That is called remuneration. Okay, that is called remuneration. That is called remuneration. Okay, so next one, the degree of centralization. The degree of centralization, the sense of power, the dividing authority, and that is a central management, and the central superior gives some, assign some works to the degree of centralization, the workers, subordinates. That is called degree of centralization. Degree of centralization. So next one, line of authority scholar chain. Line of authority scholar chain in the sense of, so this is ninth one, the line of authority. Line of authority. Okay, line of authority. Line of authority. Then order. Okay. Then equity. Okay. Equal. Then stability of tenure personnel, stability of tenure personnel. Okay, then 13 one, initiative, team spirit. Okay, team spirit, D hops. Okay, he dips D hops. Okay, so line of authority, the order, there is an order level. First top level, middle level, lower level. That is line of authority. Order means that the order. That is a order from the higher management. Okay, equal importance to all the workers. Stability at any person means stability. In case the employee is not working, the employee is not satisfied with the management, so is switch over to another manager, switch over to another organization. So management will stop that activity because of his management try to consult with the workers. Okay, so that is a stop that activity. Okay, so that is called steady personnel. Principle stating in order to organization they run smoothly. The organization run smoothly. The personnel must be frequently enter and exit in the organization. Okay, stop that activity because he is a good employee and also he is completing work with perfect manner. Okay, so the management wants to stop that activity. And initiative. What is initiative? Initiative in the sense of every employees have lot of capabilities, lot of ideas. So management also try to recognize that activity, recognize that opinion and that advice. Okay, from the workers. Team spirit. Okay, E spirit comes from the unit. That is a union. This refers to need of manager to ensure that develop the moral in workplace. Okay, morality, helping tendency. Okay, that is a team there is a good great every manager create a good environment. That is called team spirit. Okay, this is called as Henry 14 principle. Next one, last, span of management. Okay, span of management. Last one, span of management. The span of management in the sense of that is divided into two. One is the wide span, then narrow span. This is flat structure. This is flat structure. This is a tall structure. Okay, tall structure in the sense of have here lot of subordinates, but have lot of subordinates and under one manager. Okay, under one manager. Okay, so here lot of subordinates, under one manager because of less number of subordinates and one supervisor. That is called narrow span. This is called very expensive. Okay, this is very expensive. Okay, narrow span in the sense of is having less number of subordinates and under less number of subordinates. Okay, less number of subordinates under one superior. It will be very expensive because of wasting time. Okay, control that is expensive in the sense of that is monetary level. Okay, it's very expensive and very high cost. It will be high cost. Okay, that is a very less number of subordinates. Here large number of subordinates, but having lot of, that is manager is the lot of managers and lot of subordinates. Okay, that is called flat structure. Here less number of subordinates under one superior, here large number of subordinates and that is a large number of managers. Okay, so this management, this wide span only followed in every organization. That is called span of management. What is span of management? Is the control is the management. Refers to the number of subordinates who can be managed efficiently. Number of subordinates can be efficiently. Okay, efficient manner. That is called span of management. Okay, that is called span of management. Okay, I hope you are very well understand about this chapter 1. That is a revision for quarterly examination. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best for your exam.